Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to cancel a Zelle payment on Jay's mobile app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply open your Chase mobile app, and once you have opened it, you need to simply log in with your credentials. After you are done, you need to go to the Pay and Transfer section. So once you have simply tapped on Pay and Transfer tab located at the bottom of your screen, under the Pay and Transfer menu, tap on Zelle. This is where you can see all your Zelle payments that are listed. After seeing this, you will see a list of all transactions including pending, completed or cancelled payments. So look for the payment you want to cancel and it should be marked as pending if it hasn't been completed yet. Now tap on the pending payment and confirm the cancellation. After this is done, you will be able to simply cancel a Zelle payment on your Chase mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.